Hello there, welcome to our channel. So at the end of last year, Xiaomi announced the Mi 11. Since then, we have heard rumors and speculations regarding Mi 11 Pro and Ultra. Now finally, the company has confirmed that it will be launching the two devices on March 29th, but nothing is said about the Lite variant, so it seems that Mi 11 Lite may be launched later for the domestic market. In any case, we are sure to see Mi 11 Pro and Ultra on 29th of this month. Now what about its design and specifications? Well, we have seen some renders and what appears to be a real image of the phone. As you can see, there are some apparent changes on the back of the phone. Firstly, there is a huge camera bump with some amazing camera setup. Moreover, we know that Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra will have a small secondary screen on the back on which it will be able to display the content of the main screen. We are not sure if this second screen will make an appearance on the Pro variant as well, but as of now it doesn't seem likely. The front of the phones will probably look similar to Mi 11. As for the specs, both phones are expected to come with a 6.8-inch wide Quad HD Plus OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will also get HDR10+ and for protection, Gorilla Glass Victus. Now let's get to the focus of these devices. Yes, you guessed it right, the cameras. But before we begin, let me tell you that the information regarding Mi 11 Pro cameras are scarce. It's said the Mi 11 Pro camera setup will remain similar to Mi 11 except for an additional 120x zoom with a periscope lens on the back. As for Mi 11 Ultra, it is tipped to sport a triple camera setup of 50MP main plus 48MP super wide and 48MP telephoto periscope with 120x zoom support. You might get a 20MP selfie shooter as well. There will also be a secondary display right beside the cameras which will help in clicking selfies and lot more. The smartphones are likely to be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset. It could be paired with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Moreover, it is said to pack a 5000 mAh battery with support for 67W fast charging, 67W wireless charging as well as 10W reverse wireless charging. And finally about its live event, it's scheduled for 7:30 PM Central Standard Time, which is 7:30 AM Eastern Time or 5 PM Indian Standard Time. The online event will be live streamed on Xiaomi's media channel including Facebook and YouTube. So for more updates, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.